Hey everyone, today I just picked up my brand new set of Alesis Surge mesh kit, and I just gotta make a little unboxing and setup video, and we'll see how well that goes. Never bought electric drums before, never set one up, so I'm as new as can be. So let's take a look, see what's inside this box. Everything looks nice and labeled and very well packaged. I don't see any damage from shipping. I like how everything is labeled, so let's see if we can take a look at some stuff. Some boxes in some boxes. Let's unbox some of these boxes. There's the first 10-inch drum. It's nice, it's light, it's chrome and shiny. I like it. So we got it all unboxed. Here's the packages. We had some tubes and some red baggage, and the other ones were all in clear bags, so I left them so I know what's what. All looks really good condition. Didn't see any shipping flaws. Everything looks really nice. Alesis, all chrome. All right, let's put it together. So let's take a look at the instructions here. Doesn't seem too bad. Doesn't look like you need any major tools, which is nice of Alesis. They give you a provided tool. Looks like what is this thing? Some sort of a square key tool. So let's put it together. we found a home for it. It was pretty simple to wire in. I got a little connector back there, and all the wires are labeled. So for instance, you look at the hi-hat, and it says hi-hat, so just plug and play pretty much. Everything responds pretty good. Come around here, I'll throw a couple notes here. There's your control system. We can turn it up a little bit. And then there's our foot pedal. All kinds of different beats in there. Sounds like a bullet. So you can run headphones. I'm just running off a little ion, like a PA speaker. Oh, I'll throw a quick jam on. I have no idea how to play drums, so just bear with me, and I'll just make a couple of quick beats here.